Hello everyone, in this lesson we will learn about structures. Now what are structures? Sometimes some logically related elements need to be treated under one roof. For instance, elements storing a student's information like roll number, name, class, marks, they all need to be processed together under one roof. Now that is where structures come in. Now to use structures, you need to use the struct keyword followed by, it should be inside here, the struct keyword followed by the structure name. In this case, let it be date. Now what all things are part of date? We will have a day of integer type. We will have month of integer type. We will also have year of integer type. Okay, now this is example of a structure. Now we need to end the structure with a semicolon. Following the braces, we have to add a semicolon when we define a structure. Now suppose you are making a database for students of a school, and you will need the joining date and also the leaving date, the day with the student leaves the school. So you can create a structure element based on date, joining date. Now by using this line, the joining date will have three parts. One is day, one is month, and one is year. It will have its own individual day, month, and year variables. Now to access those variables, we'll have to use the dot operator. Joining date dot month equal to 2. Now similarly, you can initialize day and year. So the structured name followed by dot operator and the variable to be initialized. Okay, now what will happen is that the joining date will have three parts in it. It's day part, month part, and year part. And by using joining date dot the variable name to be initialized, and we can give values to those variables. Now the same way you can also create leaving date that you can try out. Now that is all about this lecture. See you in the next lecture where we'll read more about structures. Thank you.